The 2026 BMW X7 M60i takes luxury performance to a whole new level, blending massive power with elegant refinement. This SUV stands out the moment it appears on the road, thanks to its bold kidney grille, sharp LED lighting, and a design that perfectly balances aggression with premium sophistication. BMW has given it a more modern, muscular presence, making it unmistakable from every angle. Under the hood, the X7 M60i still carries the legendary 4.4-liter twin-power-turbo V8 engine paired with 48-volt mild hybrid technology. This setup delivers breathtaking acceleration, lightning-fast throttle response, and the kind of effortless power that makes a vehicle this size feel surprisingly light on its feet. Every drive feels controlled and confident, helped by the M Sport exhaust, adaptive M suspension, and X-Drive all-wheel drive system that constantly adjusts to every surface and condition. Inside the cabin, the experience becomes even more impressive. The moment you step in, the mix of luxury materials, soft touch surfaces, and modern technology creates an atmosphere that feels both high-class and futuristic. The curved BMW display stretches across the dashboard with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. With BM's latest iDrive system, you get seamless navigation, smart voice control, and advanced safety features that work quietly in the background to keep every journey smooth and secure. Passengers in all three rows enjoy exceptional comfort. The seats are designed for long-distance travel, offering heating, ventilation, and premium leather options. Ambient lighting, panoramic glass roof, and crystal-like interior accents further elevate the sense of space and exclusivity. Whether you're driving or being driven, the X7 M60i makes every trip feel special. BMW has also enhanced convenience features, from improved driver assistance systems to better connectivity options. Wireless charging, high-quality audio, and multiple USB-C ports ensure everyone stays connected. The rear seat entertainment and large cargo space make this SUV perfect for families who want capability without compromising on luxury. The 2026 X7 M60i continues to position itself as the ultimate performance luxury SUV in its segment. It delivers strong acceleration, refined handling, and a commanding road presence, all wrapped in BMW's signature craftsmanship. If you're looking for an SUV that blends speed, comfort, technology, and pure driving excitement, the X7 M60i proves once again why it remains one of the top choices in the premium full-size SUV world.